How to hard reset Samsung Smart TV. Method number 1, using the TV menu. Step number 1, open the settings menu. Press the home button on your Samsung remote to access the main menu. Then go to settings. Step number 2, go to general settings. In the settings menu, scroll down and select general. Step number 3, select reset. Under general, scroll down and choose reset. Step number 4, enter your PIN. Enter your PIN when prompted. Default PIN is usually 0000 unless you've changed it. Step number 5, confirm the reset. Select yes to confirm. The TV will now reset to its factory settings, which may take a few minutes. Method number 2, power cycle hard reset. Alternative. If the menu is inaccessible, try a power cycle hard reset. Step number 1, power off and unplug. Turn off the TV and unplug it from the power outlet. Step number 2, wait for 1-2 minutes. Leave the TV unplugged for at least 1-2 minutes to ensure it powers down completely. Step number 3, plug back in and turn on. Plug the TV back in, turn it on, and check if the issue is resolved. Method number 3, using remote control button combination if available. Step number 1, turn off the TV. Make sure the TV is off in standby mode but still plugged in. Step number 2, press a combination of buttons. Try pressing and holding the following buttons on the remote: Info plus Menu plus Mute plus Power. This may open the factory reset menu on some Samsung models. Step number 3, follow on-screen prompts. Use the arrow keys to select reset and confirm to initiate a hard reset.